Last time, I kept trying, even after mistakes, and finally reached the cookies.
You practiced and got better, Pixel.
Today, I'll show you how I find patterns, like socks, smiles, even mango madness.
Like matching stuff? Even my mango love?
Let's go pattern hunting.
Mummy said find matching socks. How? There are 100.
Red with red, stars with stars, I find patterns fast.
Blue with dots. A perfect match.
You even spotted the fold.
You're Sherlock Holmes.
With wheels. I cat videos every time.
Every giggle you give, it remembers.
That's a pattern, repeating behavior.
And AI uses it to guess what you'll love.
You smiled. Pixel added that filter.
I learn what you find funny and make more. Today, I spotted patterns in socks, habits, even your giggles.
You grouped and predicted like a pro.
Next, we'll see how AI lives in your home, in school, and even in your toys.
That was so cool.
Next, we'll see AI all around us. Get ready for Chapter 4,